For breaking news, the markets regulator SEBI has stopped mutual funds from investing in pre-IPO placements. Now, as we understand it, mutual funds can invest only in the anchor investor portion or the public issue of the IPO. Now, this clarification is coming through. It was issued by the Association of Mutual Funds of India. AMFI has put this out, and SEBI is citing rules that allow investments only in listed or to-be-listed securities. Several funds had been seeking clarity on whether pre-IPO placements qualify or not, and now SEBI is putting this out through AMFI, and SEBI is warning that such investments could leave funds with unlisted shares if IPOs are delayed or even cancelled. This is what we are picking up from sources. They've been speaking to us here on NDTV Profit, and my colleague Charu Singh is joining us with the very latest on this. Charu, do fill us in. It's an important development and a big one that is going to have deeper ramifications for the mutual fund business.
So certain mutual fund houses had gone up to the market regulator, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and they had asked about some clarity about how they can get involved in the pre-placements of IPOs. So pre-IPO placements basically. Now, while this is not an order or a warning from SEBI, this is just a clarification that they have communicated to AMFI. And they have basically clarified that mutual fund schemes should be involved in the, anchor allocation reserved for them rather than getting into IPO placements, because they said that it is against the, 7th schedule clause 11th of SEBI's mutual fund regulation. Apart from this, SEBI said that allowing such participation could further lead mutual fund scheme holdings in unlisted shares of an IPO to be delayed or, cancelled. That is why.
All right, fair enough. But tell me, from markets regulators' standpoint, there has been this entire process that has been underway, and the mutual fund business has been seeking clarity on this. Tell us about the lead up to this decision that has actually been put out through AMFI, because now if you talk about the implications of SEBI's move, now warning that these investments can leave funds with unlisted shares if the IPOs are delayed or even cancelled, what exactly is that going to mean for the mutual fund industry?
So, the regulator also mentioned that there are circulars and occasions that is for sure the retail participation or mutual points that maybe are and then the major portions of the reservation mutual fund qualified institutional buyers were also discussed at the time. Now, obviously, this was the reasons or the leading up point. But apart from this, there was some clarification that was also sought by mutual fund houses as to where and how much they can invest. But yes, this is also going to positively, impact the amount of subscription or subscription percentage for the IPOs that land in Indian markets.
All right, Charu, it's a story that we are going to keep our eyes and ears peeled on. And of course, we'll get you more clarifications as they come through and perspective as well.